I applied for the data entry job. Today I received message that FIR has been filed against me and I have to pay 7,100 to them. So like that, every day we are receiving a complaint that people join data entry part-time resume filling job, and when they are not able to complete, or even if they complete but accuracy is not there, company send you the FIR copy that against you FIR has been registered, and if you want to remove that FIR or want to close that FIR, you have to pay 7,000, 10,000, 15,000. Otherwise legal action will be taken against you. You have to come to the court, police station, to your given address, home address. Hard copy will be sent. In case you are also facing any issue from any data entry, resume filling, captcha filling, just WhatsApp us and get our lawyer help and save your time, money, and complete mental peace. In case you are also getting threatening message, calls, or any legal notice, and you have to go to the court and the police station, just contact us, get our help in any matter, and save your time, money, and complete mental peace. We are 24 hour available to help you from anywhere at any time. Just WhatsApp, call us, and talk to our lawyer.